Trade Confident guys, what's going on? We predicted that Bitcoin was going to stall yesterday. I'll show this to you guys, and I'm going to show you guys where I think we're going to head here. So yesterday in our Telegram channel, to our members, we said, hey, heads up guys, I think we are about to stall here and see Bitcoin pull back. And we've done just that. And we showed you guys the chart that we were looking at with USDT, and we just went over this morning why we believe this could actually potentially push Bitcoin back. Maybe a few $1,000s here over the next coming few days, but more so than that, we just came out with, if you guys have been watching these YouTube videos here, a lot of you guys have been waiting for this. We just released the future forecast that gives you guys the fillable spreadsheet to give you the most accurate estimated gains in your portfolio for this bull run. I am not into fluff. I am not into ridiculous price predictions. We are going to use 3 of the most solid charts to give you guys accurate data of where we expect Bitcoin prices to be in this cycle. And you guys are going to be able to fill that out and actually estimate with your principal balance, as well as how much you're estimated to pay in tax, as well as your capital gains losses of what you're expected to take home at the end of this bull market. Again, I am not into fluff. We are here to give accurate, realistic price predictions, okay? So make sure you guys watch that. Grab a membership in the description. You can watch that this morning and download it. What I want to talk about with you guys today is Bitcoin is up at this resistance. It's at $91,000. We see that TC market reversal is an indicator we use to call peaks in the market. Guys, unfortunately, we've got 2 bars here on the weekly time frame. We've got whale money flow high here. And in the past 2 times we've seen this, we have actually seen Bitcoin head back down, and trades in favor is an 83% chance of a drop. And we do actually expect to see Bitcoin stall here for a little bit and potentially see some moves back down to around the $80,000, $81,000 mark. So you guys need to be aware of that. On top of this, what we're going to be doing in the future here, and I'm going to pull out my chart that I showed you guys yesterday, is we're going to start in our membership showing you guys how I believe you guys need to be looking to get out of Bitcoin and Ethereum and start positioning yourself into altcoins. Now, everybody knows what happened with Dogecoin the last couple of days. Dogecoin just absolutely has been ripping. It's up another 3% here, and it's seen a little bit of a pullback. But Dogecoin, guys, these prices you've been seeing, that's what you're normally going to be seeing on all of these altcoins when the altcoin season takes over. There's a specific day I'm going to share with you guys this coming Friday in our membership that you should have all of your altcoin purchases done, because the last 2 cycles, like look at this. I'm going to whiteboard this out just a little bit here. I won't make this too long of a video, but if you actually take into account the last 2 cycles, okay, the last 2 cycles in cryptocurrency, you can actually plot this awesome chart out that shows you how Bitcoin dominance increases and then it decreases. It literally falls off a map. It increases and then it just absolutely decreases. So this is what's called BTC.D. This is Bitcoin dominance, BTC.D. And if you can time this absolute collapse of Bitcoin dominance, then this is where you guys want to actually shift into your, let me put a green little guy over here. Woo! Go over here. This is where you guys want to shift into altcoins. Okay? When Bitcoin dominance drops. What we're going to show you guys is there's actually a time frame duration that's been mocked up here, which has been pretty awesome, from the increase of Bitcoin dominance to the time where dominance actually starts dropping back down, and it correlates to actually a very specific time in November. On top of this, there are charts. I'm going to make this smaller. I'm going to go like this here a little bit. We're going to show you guys another chart. This is going to be coming up on Friday and next week in the future forecast here on our website. It is that Bitcoin dominance is doing this thing, right? It's going up. It's probably going to top, I think it's going to top at 61 to 63%. Okay, once that happens and you break this trend line right here, watch this. See this one that's going up here? Once this breaks, there's actually another trend line you need to watch for. Because here's the thing, is that people FOMO'd into altcoins the last like 4 or 5 days because they saw Dogecoin go up. However, does anybody realize that dominance went back to 60% on Bitcoin? So it's not time yet. And what I don't want you guys to do is, some of you guys, let me pull out an orange marker here, you guys are going to get trapped. You're going to try to sell all of your Bitcoin and go into altcoins because you think Bitcoin dominance is going to drop when BTC.D goes down, but it's just a bounce off of an ascending support line. You need to watch for this absolute prime opportunity. Actually, I'll show you guys today in the future forecast on our website. Watch the November 12th future forecast. I actually show you guys what we're looking for. There's 2 parameters you need to watch. And then I'm going to show you guys another chart, which is total 2 today, which shows you guys even more data that we need to watch. Guys, it's not yet. The transition from Bitcoin into altcoins is not yet. We need to wait for a signal. But But when that signal comes out, it is going to be a massive drop in Bitcoin dominance, and this is where you guys are going to make a ton of money in altcoins, and I'm going to be doing this with you guys with our portfolio that we have. Quick update on the portfolio, and then I will give you guys links to watch these future forecasts. I think we're a little bit lower than this morning because we see the market dropping back down. Oh, actually not. I think we just jumped $30,000. So we're at $1.2 million in the account, and we've been doing very well here. We are over $600,000 in profit, and I'm going to give you guys basically the target prices today of where I think Bitcoin's going to drop down to, as well as the fillable spreadsheet, so you guys can actually estimate your gains. Guys, this is what I'm going to leave you with here. Let me show you this first, and I'll give you one more point. Go to tradeconfident.io. There's a little emoji. I put a little, not a gift basket. It's a present. That's what it is. It's the present emoji. If you guys click that, you'll get 25% off your first membership. Guys, join just this month for the sake of downloading the spreadsheet with the most accurate price predictions for like the top 20 to 25 coins. And then you guys can see where your account portfolios are likely to be with no fluff, concrete data. Guys, I'm trading this account for my son and my daughter and my wife. Like, these are realistic predictions. If I give you guys some stupid numbers that it could never come true, I lose the credibility. Like, look at the charts that I show you guys. You'll be like, okay, this makes sense. Like, Travis actually gave us realistic prices for our altcoins. And what you guys can do is you can actually take these prices and set up sell limits right now if you want. So you can be ahead of everybody else and even the algorithms of when prices get to these levels so you can exit. Guys, this is one of the most powerful future forecasts I've ever done. Last thing I was going to share with you guys is that you're going to be able to see on that spreadsheet where your balance is estimated to be in a conservative, my kids are screaming at breakfast this morning. It's distracting me. You're going to see the conservative and the aggressive amount of where your account balance should be. So you can get a visual representation of when my balance hits this price, you need to look to be scaling out of crypto. And that's going to be an average of all of your cryptocurrencies with the projected gains in our concrete spreadsheet charts. Okay. This is probably the best feature forecast you guys can watch all month. Download the spreadsheet, fill it in, and look at your gains, guys. This is tradeconfident.io. Welcome, guys. My name is Travis Martin, and I hope you guys really enjoy all of the future forecasts we have coming up. But grab a membership, 25% off in the description. And then also, guys, know our indicators around Black Friday sale. We're going to be removing the coupon codes in just a couple weeks here, but this is a huge sale we have on our indicators. Don't miss that because we did win some more trades, and now we're at 231 wins and 0 losses, guys, and everything is open to the public. And just look at the profits people have been able to make with this, the teachings in the future forecast as well as the indicators. It's pretty amazing. Guys, watch the future forecast today. That's what I want you guys to do. Estimate those gains and see what you're estimated to make based off concrete data. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next YouTube video, and I'll see you in the future forecast this morning. Bye, guys.